Hi, darling. How you doing? I gotta get you guys some new water. But dang, what the heck is all this white stuff? Hmm? How are you doing? How are the babies? Hi, darling. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, there's my little tater tot. There's the tater tot. I saw the tater tot. Hi, babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. I found 8. Hi, tater tot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 9. 9 babies. I found 9 babies. Oh, I love your tater tot. I love the tater tot. She's so cute. Oh my goodness gracious me. Hello. Wait, hold on. Are you mousy? You are mousy. Are you having your babies yet? I want to see what's going on behind you. Can I see what's going on behind you? Oh, poop. Thanks. That's lovely. Now, who's screaming over here? Hi. Uh-oh. Here goes a baby. Uh-oh. Okay, now I got to count them again. Oh, look at those horns starting to grow in. Hi, Mousy. You're next. Hi, Lulu. Hi, babies. Oh, stop being a butthead. Stop being a butthead. Let's go get that hay. Oh, yeah. You guys such cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, let's go get that. Dump it. And then we'll bring it up. Or maybe we'll just leave it for them to eat it. And then we'll go get more. Oh, Tater Tot! Oh my gosh! Tater Tot is so dang cute! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, I get you something. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Aw. Come on. Come on. Everybody's over there. So loud. There's my foot on the ground. Oh my gosh. Hi, baby. What you crying about? Aw. Aw. Hi, little girl. You have got the weirdest conformation. I don't know what it is about you. He's the little teeny tiny tater tot. The tater tot. The tater tot. Tater tots. Tater tots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 babies here. And there were 3 over there. I think that's everybody. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh my god, I gotta put this on. It's way too cold to have my gloves on. Oh my god, it's hard to believe that this is the same forest as I took that forest video earlier. Hi, Tater Tot. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. You are such a cute thing. Aw, I'll display right there. This horn's starting to come up. Hi, why are you loud? Mama's eating. Hi, baby, you're so quiet. You okay? Aw. Battery's almost dead. I'm gonna still give the love. I gotta give the loves. Those are the oldest two right there. Domino. And the boy. Gotta name them something. Aw, there you are, Mama. There's your tater tot. Is this your other one right here? I think that's yours right there. Oh, I don't have anything for you, baby girl. Your other goat baby's right here, I think. How are you doing, buddy? You doing okay? Yeah, that's your baby. That's your baby. Hi, Tater Tot. Aw, I love you, little girl. You're such a cutie. Aw, it's my little tater tot. My teeny tiny tater tot. Teeny tiny tater tot. Hi, Mama. You're a good mama. Hi, Tater Tot. There's your baby right there. There's your baby right there. He's got the best face markings of everybody. He's the best. He's the best. Yeah? Oh. Alright, well, I think that everybody's accounted for, so I'm going in, because it's too cold. It's too cold. I love my tater tot. My tater tot, my tater tot. Hi, baby girl. Hi. You're just not quite sure which one of us it is. Aw, what a cutie. What a cutie. What a cutie. What a cutie. Oh, he's such a cute little mew. I mean, whatever. Oh my god. That's so funny. Alright, guys. You do. I do me. We all do good. You guys are fine. Okay, I'll turn this off. You guys good? Alright.